Flight engineer, repair that. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly out. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coax out. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked on to us. Take evasive action! There it is! After that plane! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Oh, my friend, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, go axial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe I need something from Pandor. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo's pretty free. Keep shooting. I think I will let you tell the Wookiee. Oh no! Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Gates, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. The destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad. Wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a space so to... Oh, looks like we are ready to unload.
All right,